Assalamualaikum friends, here is 200 plus kitchen chief HD PNG. You can use anywhere, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this channel for latest notification of any video or data. Okay, so open this one. Next, you see resolution of PNG. So you can add it in Photoshop. I know you can do. Here is 8.12 MB file, and here is in KBs, here KBs, and here is 6.47 MB. That's mean these are high resolution. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.